Okay, so today's ceramic piece by Rob is perched becomingly on a Henry Moore. And we are here at Dartington Hall Gardens again. It's just so beautiful, and it's where Rob trained in ceramics when he was a young lad. And Rob's now going to tell us about a bit of an iconic ceramic piece of his, which is the ceramic oil pourer. And you make many of these, don't you, Rob?
Yeah, I'm making a batch of them at the moment. They're quite hard to throw, they take a lot of concentration, so I'm lucky if I can make 50.
Yes, and they've got the little dent in there, haven't they, so they can be poured easily.
Yeah, that's why I thought it would relate a little bit to that. Not that I'm on the same level as Henry Moore, but it's this sort of voluptuousness and this softness that forges the handle.
Yes. Look at the curves there, wonderful.
Yes, the curves.
And it's so popular. This is one of your most popular sellers, I think, isn't it? People really love it.
Yeah, olive oil, vinaigrettes, or just for ornaments. People sometimes they just take out the stopper and have it as a piece.
It's a winner. Thank you, Rob.
Thank you.